In an era of hybrid work and mobile lifestyles, the demand for tablets with 4G LTE and SIM card slots has skyrocketed. No longer tethered to Wi-Fi, these devices appeal to typists seeking portable workstations and gamers who require low-latency, on-the-go connectivity. This guide evaluates the latest models based on their processor efficiency, build quality, cellular reliability, and overall value to help you find the ultimate untethered companion. Product number 1. Tablet 11-inch Android 15 tablet. Latest update. The addition of this 11-inch Android 15 tablet is a powerhouse for users who prioritize modern software and multitasking. Built with a generous 16 GB of RAM, a combination of 8 GB physical and 8 GB virtual expansion, it handles high-intensity tasks and background apps with surprising fluidity. The Android 15 interface is specifically optimized for this larger screen, offering a refined taskbar and split-screen capabilities that make it a favorite for mobile professionals and students alike. At its core is an octa-core MTK 8786 processor, which provides a snappy response for everything from document editing to casual gaming. The 128 GB of internal storage is ample for most, but the inclusion of a micro SD slot supporting up to 1 TB ensures you'll never have to delete files or make room for new ones. Connectivity is where this device truly shines. The 4G LTE support is broad, though it is specifically optimized for T-Mobile bands, providing reliable cellular data when you step out of Wi-Fi range. The in-cell FHD screen offers crisp visuals with 1280 by 800 resolution, and the 13-megapixel rear camera is more than capable for document scanning or quick video calls. For those looking for a contemporary, secure, and highly portable Android experience, the 2025 update is a compelling entry point. Product number 2. Tablet 11-inch Android 15 tablet. Latest update. Looking slightly ahead, the iteration of the 11-inch Android 15 tablet builds upon its predecessor's success with improved efficiency and refined hardware. While maintaining the 16 GB RAM and 128 GB ROM configuration, this model features an updated chipset designed for better thermal management during long gaming sessions or extended 4G LTE usage. The 11-inch IPS FHD display remains a highlight, offering vibrant colors and wide viewing angles that are perfect for streaming media in phablet mode. This version is marketed as a 2-in-1 solution, often bundled with a productivity kit that includes a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse. This setup transforms the tablet into a lightweight laptop alternative, making it an ideal choice for typists who need to work from cafes or transit hubs. The 8,000 mAh battery is a standout feature, rated for up to 9 hours of continuous video playback or a full workday of mixed usage. The dual SIM slot is particularly useful for frequent travelers, allowing you to maintain a local data plan while keeping your primary number active. With its robust build and the latest software enhancements, the 2026 model represents the cutting edge of budget-friendly cellular tablets. Number 3. HotWav R10 Pro Rugged Tablet. For those whose work or hobbies take them off the beaten path, the HotWav R10 Pro is a fortress in tablet form. This 10.1-inch rugged device is built to survive environments that would destroy standard electronics. With IP68 and IP69K waterproof ratings, along with MIL STD 810H military-grade drop protection, it is designed for construction sites, hiking trails, and extreme outdoor use. The 10.1-inch HD Plus display is shielded by reinforced glass and offers 450 nits of brightness, ensuring legibility even under direct sunlight. Under the hood, the R10 Pro is surprisingly capable. It utilizes 20 GB of RAM, 8 GB plus 12 GB virtual, and 256 GB ROM, powered by a Unisoc T606 octa-core processor. The massive 10,800 mAh battery is the largest on this list, providing enough juice for multiple days of standby or 18 hours of talk time. It even supports OTG reverse charging, allowing the tablet to act as a power bank for your phone in emergencies. The dual 4G LTE SIM slots ensure you stay connected in remote areas. While it is heavier than its slim competitors at 880 grams, the trade-off is a device that is virtually indestructible and always connected. Product number 4. Umidigi G9 Tab 11-inch. The Umidigi G9 Tab strikes an elegant balance between high-end aesthetics and practical functionality. Featuring a sleek unibody design, this 11-inch tablet feels premium in the hand while remaining remarkably light at just 522 grams. It focuses on storage capacity, offering a native 256 gigabytes of ROM, double the standard of many competitors, making it the top choice for users who want to carry an entire library of movies and games offline. Performance is driven by the Unisoc T606 processor and 8 gigabytes of RAM, providing a stable environment for Android 14. The 11-inch display is marketed as ultra-clear, utilizing a 1280 by 800 resolution that serves well for both media consumption and split-screen multitasking. Umidigi has prioritized the audio experience here, equipping the G9 Tab with stereo dual speakers that deliver more depth and bass than standard single-speaker units. The 7200 mAh battery supports 18-watt fast charging, which is a vital feature for a cellular tablet that might be used heavily on the move. With its large storage and sophisticated design, the G9 Tab is a stylish workhorse for the modern mobile user. Product number 5. JREN 11-inch Android 15 tablet, 128 gigabytes with keyboard and mouse. The JREN 11-inch tablet is the ultimate out-of-the-box productivity suite. Unlike other models where accessories are an afterthought, JREN includes a color-matched Bluetooth keyboard, wireless mouse, and a protective stand case as part of the primary package. Running on the latest Android 15, it features a 1.8 GHz Unisoc T615 processor and a massive memory ceiling of 24 GB RAM, 4 GB physical plus 20 GB virtual, ensuring that even the most demanding productivity apps run without a hitch. The hardware is housed in a 7mm ultra-thin metal body that feels modern and sturdy. The 11-inch in-cell IPS screen is paired with a quad-speaker system, creating an immersive private cinema experience when you aren't typing away at emails. For connectivity, it supports both 2.4G and 5G Wi-Fi and 4G LTE via its SIM card slot, making it a true unlocked phablet compatible with major carriers like T-Mobile. The 8000 mAh battery ensures you can get through a full day of meetings or classes without hunting for an outlet. If you need a complete mobile office that is ready to go from day one, the JREN bundle is the most comprehensive value on the market.